Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you an introduction to the stock market. Introduction. Why do people become entrepreneurs? People want money. People also want control over their own decision making. People want to pick a team that they want to work with, and people want to have a legacy. They also don't want to be bossed around. They want to be their own boss. What is profit? Profit is when you get more money than you invested, after deducting taxes and other expenses. Three major types of profit are gross profit, operating profit, and net profit. Profit equals to revenue minus cost. Cost is operating and other expenses, including taxes. For example, if you buy an iPad for $250 and sell it for $300, you made a profit of $50. Shop rent, worker's salary, etc. will get into the cost. Profit describes a financial benefit realized when revenue generated from an activity exceeds the expenses, costs, and taxes involved. Bye everyone! Be sure to stay tuned for more videos about the stock market. Bye!